Hi, my name is Jess, and today we are going to be talking about roasting garlic. If you're going to be roasting more than one head of garlic, try to choose two that are equally sized so they'll cook evenly. Avoid any with soft or discolored spots. Start by peeling away the papery outer layers covering your garlic. You'll want to peel most of them off, leaving only the inner peel that is touching the garlic cloves. Prep your garlic by using a sharp knife to cut off 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch from the top of the garlic. All of the cloves of garlic should be exposed. If they're not, use your knife to trim them so they are. Make sure to save any of the garlic you've cut off from the top to make homemade vegetable stock later. Place the garlic on the aluminum foil and coat your heads of garlic with olive oil. You'll want to use enough so that all of the cloves have olive oil on them, about 2 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon per head of garlic. Season them with salt and fresh cracked pepper. Fold up the sides of the aluminum foil, completely enclosing the garlic. Place the garlic pouches on a baking sheet to avoid any olive oil leaking into your oven. Place the heads of garlic into a 375-degree Fahrenheit or 190-degree Celsius oven. Roast for anywhere between 40 to 60 minutes. Your roasting time will depend on the size of your garlic. Check them around the 40-minute mark and adjust your time as needed. When you're checking them, you want to see that the cloves of garlic are golden brown. Once the garlic is cool to the touch, you're ready to enjoy it. You can use a spoon to release each clove of garlic by running it around the clove of garlic, loosening it, and pushing it upwards. Or you can use your hands to squeeze out all of the roasted garlic. Drop your bread into the toaster and toast it. When it pops out, you'll have nicely toasted bread that is the perfect vessel for roasted garlic. Simply spread it with a butter knife and enjoy. Roasted garlic has a sweet and mellow flavor that can enhance so many dishes. In addition to enjoying it on toast, you can add it to mashed potatoes, pasta dishes, salad dressings, hummus, aiolis, sandwiches, and even spread it on pizza crusts. The sky is the limit with roasted garlic. The full recipe is on The Gardening Cook, and I've put a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Also, if you want more garlic-inspired content, make sure to check out our video on the 4 best ways to peel garlic quickly. Let us know in the comments what video you'd like to see next.